Hey guys, I'm back to playing with my dog sisters. There she is right there. My mom, she's gonna be holding the phone, so she's a cute little dog. I don't know what kind of breed she is. Border Collie, my mom just said. She's a cute little dog. Alright, we'll go out, my mom, hold the phone, and... Okay. Sister, let me see it. Good girl. Let me see it. Let me see it. All right. Keep it out here so we don't hit a tree like I already did today. I hit it and I got it stuck. All right, sister. Really? Let me see it. Okay. Sorry if you guys hear that noise in the background. I don't know what the people beside us are doing, but it's fine. I don't know what they're doing. Sounds like a chainsaw though. Sister, let me see it. How long is the video?
1:23.
Okay, keep it going. Like, whenever it gets to 6 minutes, or 5 maybe, stop it. Uh-oh.
I think we should stop it after this.
Okay,
Because
yeah.
people don't watch 5 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, we don't want to do this.
You want to sign off?
Sister, let me see it. Well, thank you guys for watching, comment, and see you next time.